We've narrowed it down to 3 common reasons for a house fire: electrical outlets, kitchen fires, and dryers. Many electrical fires in homes or businesses are caused by faulty electrical outlets, old wiring, outdated appliances, or electrical cords that are frayed. Carelessness in the kitchen can also lead to devastating house fires. The leading cause of a kitchen fire is due to unattended cooking, and it's so important to be alert while cooking to prevent cooking fires, especially around the holidays. Over time, your dryer vents fill with lint that sneaks into your dryer filters. Fires can occur when the excess lint builds up in the dryer or exhaust duct. We truly never wish a fire upon anyone. If something like this were to happen for you or someone in your family or business, we hope that we can be the ones to make the situation just a little bit better and help put your life back together.